All right, back here again today with a nice video chasing some jumbo perch in northwest Montana. We were throwing Kinder's 5mm jigs with large shank hooks tipped with backwater baits, ankle biters, and swamp bugs in a variety of colors. A little bit rainy, but in the end the video came together pretty good. I think everyone will like it. So while you're here, make sure to subscribe and like and leave some comments, questions, ideas, anything you want.
Huh? Really good one? Here, bring it this way. You got amazing that one. I got to put that one back though. That one is too big. Some freaking smallmouth. Oh, there's it maybe right there. Big boy. Holy crap.
13. 12 and a half. A good 12 and a half.
12 and a half here, hell yeah. Look at that. 12 and a half inch perch. There you go, boys. Montana. Sure. This is their crosses. I don't know. He's pretty though.
It is.
Little trout.
Little multi-species day.
Look at that. Another nice 12-ish. Hell of a nice fish. Look at that. Kinder's tungsten with a craw. That. Fish jumping over there now. Here we go. Just pull it this way a little bit. Let's see there. What you got? 11?
Not quite as big, but he is 11 and a half.
11. There you go. Shit. It's crazy. Going through that grass. Going through that grass.
Dude, that's hilarious.
Pulling some flashers for kokanee, and we caught a perch. Well, it works. You know that. It definitely works. Oh, he's barely hooked. Wow.
That was a pretty good looking perch too. I still see him swimming.
Yeah, they're going right down there.
We're heading in for me. Ooh,
That sounds like something better.
Yep, pull him. Pull up his ass. Keep him.
I think those are the first. I think that's the first they're going to the surface. Oh yeah, right there, right, just about right. Not gonna hurt any populations. Keep those.
Nope.
Ooh, is it a fish or my snag? Ooh, that's. I don't.
Something good?
I think so. Yeah, it is.
What is it, fish?
Yes.
Oh God.
One of those jumbo perch.
There you go.
Ah, there we go. That's what I've been needing all day.
That is what you needed all day right there, buddy.
Purple.
Purple.
I switched to that purple grub, the purple swimtail fish thing, and
That's a 12 and a half.
another male. I swear. I swear that's a male. I don't know. Prolapse, it looks like. 12 and a half, yep.
Really nice perch.
12 and a half. Oh, yeah, well, hold still. Don't put you back, just relax.
Right.
All right, 12 and a half. Is that a fish? Yeah, it is. I couldn't tell if I had a fish on or not. Yeah, no, not a big one though. Oh, come on, you son of a bitch. Let it go. You swallowed the damn thing. Oh, they're not decent. You know, 6 inches, but this one's so skinny though. Look at that. It's like 6-7 inches, but man, ain't nothing on him. Oh no, seriously, I set the hook with that and the drag didn't hold.
Yep.
I don't know. Yep. I don't know what he's. Oh, he's decent. Oh yeah.
Is it that big or? That's eating. Size.
That'll work.
That's a good eater.
Oh man, he wanted it too. That's not bad.
No,
look at his back.
Oh wow.
Something took a chunk out of him.
Took a bite out of him.
So then what it would be in here? That a bird maybe, huh? When he was little, a turtle.
Turtle, bird.
Something took a bite out of this little guy when he was younger. He's healed, but look at that big chunk missing. You want me to keep him?
Yeah.
You want the weird?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's do it. Montana sunset.
Pretty hard to keep a backwater, man.
Backwater baits, man. Backwater baits is the shit. The shit. No, I like them. I'll set a cone right there.
Put this sucker on your face, bro.
There you go. Nice 12.5 incher. That's a nice fish. All right, another day in the books. We're out hitting some perch, got some trout. I think we had 7 perch over 11 inches, 2 over 12.5. Caught about 50 perch altogether. I think we kept 15 keepers. Let the big ones go, of course. Never keep anything over 11. Around here, they don't get super big, so we don't want to keep anything that could hurt the breeding population. Little trout everywhere. Weird. Today we threw mostly Kinder's jigs, tungsten jigs, with backwater baits, plastics, ankle biter craws, and swamp bugs, and lots of different colors. We used greens, browns, purple. I think that was it. But until then, as always, get outside and do something.